In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to run your first test using simulated audiences. Let's dive in. Step 1. Upload your creative. You can connect your Facebook ad account to import your ad history and creative assets. This is optional, but it helps improve simulation accuracy and lets you easily test new ideas against your past campaigns. Want to upload something new instead? No problem. Just head to the creative page and click Add New Creative. Once your creatives are uploaded, just click to select the ones you want to test. And remember, the more variations you try, the better your chances of finding a top performer. Step 2. Run a simulation. There are 3 ways to get started, and you can jump in at any time using the Quick Start option. Quick Start walks you through a simple 3-step process. Upload your creative, choose your targeting, optional, and run the simulation. You can also start from the creative page. Just select what you want to test and click Run a Simulation. Or go to the simulation screen and click New Simulation. Either way, you'll land on the Setup Simulation screen. Here, you can name your simulation, choose your creatives, and, if you'd like, add targeting info like location, age, or gender. Targeting is completely optional. You can always come back and adjust it later from the Targeting tab. Once you're ready, hit Run Simulation and let Quvy do its thing. Simulations only take a few minutes to complete. Step 3. Review your results. Once your simulation finishes, you'll get a full breakdown of how your creatives would perform in a real campaign. You'll see 2 sets of top-performing ads. Best Creative by CTR shows which version had the strongest engagement based on your selected targeting. Best Creative by Ad Quality gives each creative a score from 0 to 100, based on how well it performs with broad targeting. Below that, you'll find a detailed performance table with estimated metrics like click-through rate, impressions, and more. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a full campaign summary along with the simulation settings you used. Quvy's AI also gives you tips on how to improve your ad creatives, what to fix, and which version is most likely to perform best based on your targeting. That's it. Upload your creative, run a simulation, and start winning before you launch with Quvy. Get started today at Quvy.com.